Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today I am going to do exercise 1.4. I hope you all have done till exercise 1.3. So today I am going to start with exercise 1.4. Now the first question, evaluate each of the following. The first question says you have to evaluate each of the following, that is minus 30 divided by 10, then 50 divided by minus 5. Then see, I am writing the question because I will do it in a once. Divided by minus 9. D minus 49 divided by minus 49. So I told you earlier that if one of the numerator or denominator is negative, then the answer will be negative, and if both are negative, then the answer will be positive. So minus 30 you can write like that, minus 30 divided by 10. When you will cancel this will become minus 3. Then 50 divided by minus 5. 1 is denominator is negative, so the answer will be negative. 5 tens are 50. Then minus 36. 36 is minus, so you can write minus 36 upon minus 9. Minus minus will cancel and the answer will be positive. So 36 this is. So minus minus will cancel, 9 fours are 36. Minus 49 divided by minus 49, answer will be plus 1 because both are negative, minus minus will become plus. I hope you all have understood. Now let us come to question number E, means the E part of question number 1. Now 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1, so always we solve the bracket first. So minus 2 plus 1 will become minus 1. So 13 divided by minus 1, you can write like this also, 13 divided by minus 1, that is minus 13. Then F part is 0 divided by minus 12. So any 0 is divided by any number, the answer will always 0. Then G part, minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1. Again brackets are there, so you need to solve the bracket first. So this will be minus 31 only, divided sign, division sign, then bracket solve minus 30 plus minus 1. Both the integers are negative, so this will become minus 30 plus minus 1, this will be minus 31. Then minus 31 divided by minus 31, the answer will be plus 1 because negative negative will become positive. I hope you all have understood. Now H part is minus 36 divided by 12 divided by 3. So here also bracket is there, so first we will solve bracket. Minus 36 divided by 4, you can write like divided by 12, this will become minus 4. So you can write like this, minus 36 divided by 12 will become minus 4, and this will become plus divided by plus 3. So the answer will be minus 4 by 3. I hope you all have understood. This I have solved separately, that minus 36 by 12 will become minus 4, that I have written the answer of this part as minus 4 divided by 3, that means minus 4 by 3. Then I part, minus 6 plus 5 bracket close, then divided by minus 2 plus 1. Now this minus 6 plus 5, if we solve this bracket first, this will become minus 1 divided by, and if we solve this bracket, minus 2 plus 1 will be how much? Again minus 1. So minus 1 divided by minus 1, minus 1 divided by minus 1, minus minus will cancel, answer will be plus 1. So you can write plus 1. I hope you all have understood this much. Note down this in your copy. So in question number 5 it is saying that verify a divided by b plus c is not equals to a divided by b plus a divided by c. So this is a distributive property, distributivity of division over addition, so which is not satisfying in case of integers. So you need to show that this is not equals to this one. So in this question, a part, a is equals to 12, b is equals to -4, c is equals to 2. So LHS will be how much? A divided by b plus c. So a is how much? 12, b is how much? -4, c is how much? +2. So find the answer. 12 divided by, solve this bracket, -4 plus 2 will be -2 because one is positive, one is negative, and this will be -6. Then RHS, let's solve RHS. RHS was a divided by b plus a divided by c. So a divided by b is how much? 12 divided by -4 plus 12 divided by 2. I hope I am just putting the values, whatever value is given. So 12 divided by -4 is how much? -3, and plus 12 divided by 2 is how much? 6. So this will be how much? 3. -3 plus 6 is +3. So now in both the cases LHS, therefore LHS is equals to, therefore LHS is not equals to RHS, not equals to sign you will put, therefore a divided by b plus c is not equals to a divided by b plus a divided by c. You can see that LHS is not equals to RHS. I hope you all have understood. Same we will do for B part. Now B part, A, B and C value is given. LHS is how much? A divided by B plus C. Find out. -10 divided by B is how much? 1 plus C is how much? 1. So -10 divided by 1 plus 1, 2. This will be how much? -5. Then RHS is how much? A divided by B plus A divided by C. So this will be how much? -10 divided by 1 plus -10 divided by 1. So I told you earlier also that if any number will divided by 1 or multiplied by 1, the answer will remain same. So -10 divided by 1 will be -10 only, plus again -10 divided by 1 will be -10 only. So -10 plus -10, answer will be -20. So LHS was -5 and RHS is -20. Therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore A divided by B plus C is not equals to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Hence we have proved both the questions. I hope you all have understood. Now do this in your copy. The next, fill in the blanks. I think you all can do it by your own self. It is very easy, but still I think, should I do or should I not do? Let us do then. I am going to write that. Okay, so fill in the blanks. Finally I have written. Now you can see that 369, by which number we should divide so that it will remain 369. I told you that 1. Then by which number I should divide? Answer is -1 and this is -75. So this one should be +75. Then -206. Again you will divide by -206 so that the answer will be 1. 87 is already there. By which number you should divide so that it will become +87. So I have to deduce this minus sign. So what will I do? -1. Then E part, 1 is already divided by which number was there? 80 minus 87 itself. Then Here answer is -1 and this is positive, so this one should be negative, -48. Then by which number the answer is coming? -2, so it should be divided by -10. Then again it is divided by 4, so answer is coming -3, so here it should be -12. I hope you all have understood. Now do this also in your copy. Now in question number 4, write 5 pairs AB such that A divided by B. Question number 4, it is given A divided by B should be -3 and you have to write the pair, and one example they have given like 6 minus 2. So if you will divide 6 by -2, the answer will be -3. Like this you have to write 5 pairs. So the 5 answer will be, the 5 pairs are, you can write your own 5 pair, I am writing mine. So 6 minus 2 they have already given, means A or B any number should be negative so that the answer will be negative. So I can change this, 2 minus 6 we can write also. Sorry, we can write 6 minus 2. Minus 6 plus 2. The order will remain the same. This number should be greater. A should be greater than B. So sign I am just changing. This is -6 and 2. Then 9 and 3. 9 minus 3 is also, I am writing here also, 9 minus 3 is also -3. Then -9 and 3. -9 divided by 3 is also -3. Then what should I write? 12 and -4. 12 divided by -4 is also -3. Then -12 and 4. So -12 divided by 4 is also -3. So every time you need to check that whether the answer A divided B is equals to -3 or not. So then only your pair is correct, and you need to make sure that A is always greater than B. Understood? So 5 pairs you can write of your own also. Now come to question number 5. Now question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon is 10 degree Celsius. So what is given in this? Temperature at 12 noon. Temperature at 12 noon is given. I hope you all know 12 noon what it is. It is in the day, 12 o'clock is 10 degree Celsius, means it is given above 0. If it is your 0 and they are saying above 0, it means above means positive, below means negative. So above 0 it means +10. Now it is decreasing with the rate of 2 degree Celsius per hour until midnight, means till the night. So rate of decrease in temperature is how much? 2 degree Celsius. So with the rate 2 degree Celsius, it is decreasing every hour. Decrease in temperature per hour, 2 degree Celsius. So now the question is saying at what time would the temperature be 8 degree Celsius. Now below 0. So 8 degree Celsius below 0 means the sign will be -8 degree Celsius. So first of all you will find out the temperature difference. Temperature difference, how will you find out? 10 minus -8. Difference means minus sign will be there. First means greater number and -8 is the second number. First is 10 degree Celsius in the noon and you have to reach -8 degree Celsius. So what is the difference? 10 and here 8. So total 18. Have you all understood why I am writing 18? Here it was 10 degree Celsius, here it was -8 degree Celsius. The difference is 18 degree Celsius. 10 plus 8, that is 18 degree Celsius. So time required, how will you do? Time required, this will be how much at per hour? 2 degree Celsius. So you will write 18 degree Celsius divided by 2 degree Celsius. This will be 9 hours. So to reach 18 degrees Celsius from 10 degrees Celsius, you have to find out the time. Per hour it is taking 2 degrees Celsius down. So for 18 degrees Celsius, you need 9 hours. You need 9 hours. So now the time is 12 in the noon. So if the time is 12 in the noon, so 9 hour, after 9 hour you calculate what will be the time. Therefore, required time is 9 p.m. 9 p.m. because you need 9 hours. So 12 noon, you will add 9 hours, you will reach to 9 p.m. Now they are saying what will be the temperature at midnight. So 12 noon to 12 midnight, how many hours it is covering? 12 hour. In 12 hour, decrease in temperature will be how much? Per hour it was 2 degrees Celsius. For 12 hour it will be 12 into 2, that is 24 degree Celsius. Therefore, temperature at 12 midnight will be, what is the current temperature? Means noon, 10 minus 24 degree Celsius. So 10 minus 24 will be minus 14 degree Celsius. I hope you all have understood this. You need to practice this question because in noon the time was 10 degrees Celsius, it was decreasing with 2 degrees Celsius. First we calculated the temperature difference and then we divided it by the rate and we got 9 hours. Therefore we have added 12 noon to 9 hour, it will be 9 p.m. and then again we have calculated that in 12 hour the temperature decrease will be 24 degrees Celsius. Therefore the temperature at 12 midnight will be 10 minus 24, that is minus 14 degree Celsius. So with this I am going to you just write down this question number 5 in your copy, and then question number 7 and question number 6 I will do it in my next video. Till then, have a nice day.